traders, it is Tuesday, August 17, 2010, and I'm going to go over the same charts that I went over yesterday. We had a nice up day in the markets, and it looks like market found some solid footing, and it looks like we're going to chop around for a little bit. That's my opinion of the near-term direction. As far as gold and silver, gold hung in there today. It was basically flat, which is bullish. It's still looks like it's consolidating near its highs. It may just go sideways a little bit before it makes the next leg up, which I am anticipating in new highs soon. Silver also put in a good strong day. I think it was up about 14 cents at the close of trading, and that's continuing to look very strong also. So I'm going to take a look at some charts here. The first one we're going to look at is the silver 1 year daily, and as you see here, had another up candle. The stochastic turned up, and I said sometimes you get powerful moves off that. This you want to see some follow through tomorrow, or else this will peter out and probably retest possibly the 1780 area. But right now the stochastic is turned up. You have a 73 and 62 reading. You got the MACD above zero with the histogram had an uptick bar. You want to see that MACD rise again tomorrow to take out the previous highs of the MACD over here. And you want to see that 1870 area or so get taken out. We're about 17 cents away from there now, so I'd like to see that get taken out. If you look at the gold chart, look at gold next. And gold has the embedded stochastic. So just for beginners, if you're following the stochastic, generally when it goes up here, it is considered overbought. When it stays above here for, really give it 3 days on a closing basis, you become embedded, and basically until you cross down below 80 again, any pullbacks are bear traps and buying opportunities. You have the histogram ticked up again. MACD is rising. It's above zero now, and it still has a lot of momentum behind it. You were at 1225.10 today. Was a close, actually up 10 cents. And basically we basically consolidated some of these gains today. As you see, the top Bollinger Band is right here, the pink line, and generally you stay within the Bollinger Bands 95% of the time. So we were touching the Bollinger Band, and it looks like we went to the side a little bit, so the Bollinger Band can go up a little bit. I would look for in the next couple days, we might go sideways another day or two, and then we're going to make a run for these this 1260 area up here. I think we'll be successful in taking it out. If you look at the U.S. dollar, which gold generally trades inversely of the dollar. As you see here, we had the dead cat bounce, and gold has been rising during this whole dead cat bounce. Here's the downtrend line. It's a very steep downtrend line from the from the dollar sell-off and the market rally when the euro problems were kind of put on the back burner. The dollar really started to sell off and gave up all these gains that it manifested from the euro problems. Not that the euro problems are gone. It's just that this country isn't probably in just as much dire straits as Europe is, and the dollar amount of our debt is much greater than all these other small countries like Greece, Portugal, and whatnot. As you see here, where the stochastic is above 80, the black line's turning down. You did have a bearish reversal pattern here on the histogram. You got the down bar. You want to see you would like to see the dollar close below 82.01 tomorrow to confirm that. Okay, the 18-day is 81.66. It is still falling. You had the 45 cross below the 100. So I don't think this market's going. I don't think this is going up. Number one, I mean Bernanke just basically said he's trashing the currency. So betting that the dollar is going to go up probably isn't a good move at this point. Now the dollar may go down, and at some point, I think stocks will initially go up for a while if the dollar really starts to break down hard. But at some point, you may have stocks go down also with a falling dollar, which would really be disastrous, because you'd have the inflation from the weak dollar, but you wouldn't have the benefit of inflating stock prices, which could be really bad. In that environment, you want to own gold and silver. So that's why fundamentally I love gold and silver right now. I don't think there's really any reason to be bearish. I mean, yes, there could be pullbacks, but right now, they've been, silver's been in a long consolidation pattern, and I really like the metal going forward. That's why I've been holding on to this position a little bit in the PAS. I'm also still long the GLD, so just to let you guys know. But as you look at the PAS here on a daily, a little disappointing today. I mean, you did have an uptick on the histogram here, so technically that's a positive. Volume is pretty decent. Looked like there were some people buying. You got the stochastic is now 47 readings. It's pretty much stopped right here, and hoping it turns up like the silver stochastic did. As you see here, the money flow has been a little weak, but you got some potential positive divergences setting up in here. MACD is above, black's above the red, but we're still below the zero line. So you want to have another update so you can really, get some momentum here. These Bollinger Bands are also very tight, and other times you've had tightening Bollinger Bands, we've risen in the past. Here, if you look at this chart here, Bollinger Bands contract, big move up. Bollinger Bands contract, big move up. Bollinger Bands contract, initially down, then big move up. So it's happened time and time again. Bollinger Bands contract here, big move up. That's the move I caught before back in June. So I've been pretty good reading this PAS stock and the silver market and stuff in general too. So I like the way it's behaving. I like that when it pulls back, it's on lighter volume, and when it goes up, it just needs volume to step in, and volume is going to step in. Especially silver has been rising, and this has not been following as of yet. Not to the degree that it should. I mean, silver was trading at levels, at these levels before, and PAS was at 25, 26 a share. So if silver continues and actually breaks that 1875 area, I mean, this could have like a 2-point up day easily in one session. And I think that's what's going to happen, because the Bollinger Bands are really narrow right now. So I like this. I like the risk reward here in PAS. I have a lot of contracts in that, so I'm keeping, I'm watching this stock all day long. As you see here, we still hugging that uptrend line on the hourly. You do have the MACD above zero. The stochastic is 58 and 60. Black is pointing down right now. You got the bullish ADX cross, when the green crosses the red down there. That looks pretty good. And basically, you just need this really needs to get a lot of volume in here. I mean, today there was 602,000, which is a little better than the last couple days, but it's still kind of light. If we get up to 1 million shares, this thing's really going to start to run. And the first target is around 24.75. I think it should get there soon, possibly this week. So anyway, good luck trading, and this is going to be it for tonight. But have a good one.